60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles. Active include 1. Fred, Wildwood, Spurcher, Caney Head, Village Mills, Ivanhoe, and Helister. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
That's the first shooter of the DSP alert. That's its DSP. Next time.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles east of Saratoga, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Lumberton, Silsbee, Coos, Bevel Oaks, and Lakeview. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 854 and 853. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Daniel, you look at my thigh, my thumb. That's a shot in the wall. Ah! You don't look at my thumb? Yeah.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 141, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time.
Board your signature, and basically it's a race against time to stop.
In Texas,
It's easy to purchase.
Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, and Waterloo, and the following coastal locations: Galveston Bay and coastal waters from the islands of Freeport, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. A severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The forecast for Houston and the surrounding areas. Information for Galveston.
Team at your mortgage, we do all types of loans.
This afternoon, warmer with highs in the upper
Anderson.com.
southwind 5 to 10 miles.
This video can't be 40.1.
141, effective until midnight Central Daylight Time. Watch includes the following counties in Texas: Chambers, Harding, Jasper, Jefferson, Lincoln, Orange, and Tyler, and the following coastal locations: Sabine Lake, and coastal waters from Cameron, Louisiana to High Island, Texas, out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Better for me. Better for my baby.
I found the first SPI of 560.
Secondly, but then in February of 2018, Michael Cohen's lawyer denied on his behalf, and he denied himself, that the Trump organization, the Trump campaign, or any campaign was involved in this deal. So, and that's 2018 after the money had been paid. So at some point, do they have a timeline problem?
I think they got a timeline problem. I think they got all kinds of problems. They got a witness problem. They got the fact that they haven't even alleged what the crime is in the indictment.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Coos, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coos, Caney Head, and Village Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What county? What counties?
Numbers. I've talked anecdotally to other doctors who say they're seeing way more blood clots than they've ever seen before. I've talked to funeral directors that have confirmed that as well. I've talked to people that talk about aneurysms as well as the blood clotting issues. Do you believe, based on your medical background, that any of this is true? Why aren't we getting more studies into the long-term impacts of not only COVID but the vaccines, and whether or not this is in fact a pattern that is happening and has emerged as a result of the emergency authorization use for the first time of mRNA vaccines?
Yeah, Sean, I do. I really believe that we're seeing some of the consequences. And I'll be very clear. I'm a pro-vaccine person, but I have said since day one that this should be a decision made between a doctor and a patient, just as with any other medicine, not between a government and a citizen.
I said the same thing, and I got to tell you, Congressman, the amount of pressure that was brought to bear on me to tell people what to do was enormous, and I refused.
Sure. And a lot of physicians. And I think this is where the point is, a lot of physicians were put in that bad spot personally.
Go!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas, south central Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bevel Oaks or near Lumberton, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Lumberton, Silsbee, Coos, Sour Lake, Bevel Oaks, Rose City, Pine Forest, Lakeview, and Weiss Bluff. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between $759 and $850. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Those people with pre-existing conditions.
Storm warning for north central Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, southwestern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Walker County in southeastern Texas until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over the Waverly, Oregon, 8 miles north of Willis, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail.
Story, the Iranians began looking at the story.
Impact, damage to vehicles is expected.
We hit the button. Stop.
Locations impacted include Cut and Shoot, New Waverly, and Evergreen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh. Don't be. Wait a minute. Get off here! Get off there! Get off here this time!
Paint by numbers pictures, from anywhere between $75,000 to $500,000. I've got to be honest with you, Club Awesome Sauce, your new children's book, has far better illustrations than anything I've seen of Hunter Biden's work. So I'm thinking every book should probably sell for around $75,000, and I got to imagine that maybe you can call Hunter and get some Chinese connections and Russian connections, and maybe they'll purchase your book as well.
Yes, joining the amazing club, Awesome Sauce's All-American Sean. We are not going to launder money for anybody. This is...
You mean it's different from Fortress of a...
Yeah.
Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Tyler County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, northern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rockland, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Rockland, Ebenezer, Harrisburg, Jamestown, and Farsville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Thank you so much.
Answer a few questions. The payroll tax refund is only available for a limited period of time. Don't lose out on up to $26,000 per employee. Go to getrefunds.com. That's Get.
Tune in this Sunday and every Sunday from 12 noon to 1 p.m. to the Roy West Show here on News Talk 560 KLVI. It can be heard anytime on the free radio app. We also always have the best guests. We talk about what's happening here in our community in Southeast Texas. This is brought to you by the Roy West team at Good Mortgage. We do all types of home loans, conventional, FHA, VA, and USDA. Go to RoyWestTeam.com for more information.
Hi, this is Don Dodd, publisher of the Examiner, and you know what makes a community great? It's their
small, locally owned businesses. So the Examiner has started a campaign called Buy Local 409. That's right, Buy Local 409. In a nutshell, when you buy from a locally owned business, between 48 and 78% of every dollar spent stays in our community, while on the average, a national company will only leave 14%. Remember, Buy Local 409. The Examiner, the only locally owned voice in Southeast Texas.
Thanks for listening to Sean Hannity on News Talk 560 KLBI and KLBI.com. The Southeast Texas home of Glenn Beck, Clay Travis, Buck Sexton, and Michael.
Go!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bevel Oaks, Oregon, 7 miles northwest of Beaumont, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Lumberton, Bevel Oaks, Pine Forest, and Lakeview. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 856 and 847. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Oh, lovely Sunny. That's a new message for your system. Yeah. So I can say to that. Yeah.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern San Jacinto County in southeastern Texas, northern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, southwestern Polk County in southeastern Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Cold Spring, Oregon, 12 miles southwest of Livingston, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Shepherd, Cold Spring, Goodrich, Lake Livingston State Park, southern West Livingston, and Romeo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County until 7:34 this evening. Again, there is a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County until 7:34. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Around the first is yours. 2,
so much of
1,
go.
go!
Independence, and there's like a healthy level of independence, but then also you can become so isolated because you're so independent doing your own thing versus bringing people in and living in community. And John Loney talks a lot about friendships and relationships and how key that is to having a holistic life. And that obviously plays into your money too, so we can talk about that. So it's a really fun talk. I'm really excited about it. It's going to be great.
The North Carolina Register is most often featured in mine first thing in the morning.
2, 1, go!
Thunderstorm was located overnight, moving east at 10 miles per spot. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Spring Town and Town.
No, what about it?
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Large hail and damage winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, protect me in the thunder. You are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. ISIL.
I love these people. Now they're waiting for kitchen, now they're waiting for eggs. So they're going to eating. Okay? Wow.
Tax day is almost here, and if you haven't filed yet, you don't have to let taxes overwhelm you or your budget this year. You're smarter than that, and you can do something about it. If you're comfortable with online tax software, you can switch to Ramsey Smart Tax, save big, and file with
Go!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Iowa County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bellevue, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Ebenezer, Harrisburg, and San Juan Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Here we go again. Here we go again. Okay, here.
hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Romeo and Rye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I know. I'm not putting on the right now. I'm not the beautiful Sunday as we are. That's been a show.
Storm warning for southern Central County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, south central Polk County in southeastern Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cold Spring, Oregon, 14 miles north of Cleveland, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Shepherd, Cold Spring, and Goodrich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central.
This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City. There is a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County that has been extended until 8:38. Again, there is a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County extended until 8:38. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
I said that that's it. And the baby died. Hey,
it's Rachel Cruz. If you love the show and want a deeper dive on your money journey, we have a weekly newsletter that gives you trending and helpful articles and tips on following the Ramsey Way. Just go to RamseySolutions.com today to sign up for our newsletter. Again, that's RamseySolutions.com to sign up for our weekly newsletter.
When you least expect it, a break-in or fire can cost you a fortune in property damage and stolen stuff. That's why I recommend Simply Safe Home Security to protect your home from intruders, fires, floods, and more. And their professional monitoring is half the cost of traditional home security companies. Visit simplysafedirect.com today for a free indoor security camera and 20% off your order with interactive monitoring. There's no safe like Simply Safe.
Hey folks, it's Ken Coleman. January is a big hiring season. If you're tired of quiet quitting and ready to find a career you were created for, or you're ready to find more fulfillment in your current job,
go!
Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Ebenezer, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jasper, Ebenezer, Harrisburg, and Sam Rayburn Dam. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Tobin is in Kiev.
Receive it tonight. I love tonight.
10 miles north of Harding, Oregon, 11 miles southwest of Thicket, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour.
Have flown back.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
The market is not functioning.
Size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include northeastern Liberty, Ames, Harding, Kennefic, Dayton Lakes, Tarkington Prairie, Moss Hill, Romeo, and Rye. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe...
Have some laughs along the way. Make sure you subscribe to this
I love to
wherever you
read
download
that.
podcasts. I'm Dana
That
Perino,
bum
and everything
storm
will be okay.
This station is activating the Houston area
And now
emergency
for
alert
Fight
system at the
60.
request of the National
Can't be
Weather
like
Service
activated
in
fast.
League
Yes,
City
I've told you.
because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County. Till 8:32 this evening, they've cut it down by 6 seconds. Again, there's a severe thunderstorm warning for Liberty County until 8:32 this evening. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
We considered him very dangerous until we took him off the streets.
Now 4560 left.
They may have prevented an attack. But his father was also arrested and charged with interfering in his son's arrest. Specific charges against the 16-year-old were not released because of the boy's age.
Rutgers University and
Three,
union
2,
representatives
1.
announcing an agreement for new contracts, putting an end to the school's historic 5-day strike. The unions began to walk out on Monday. They're now planning to return to work, but are calling for more issues to be resolved before voting on a tentative contract. I'm Laura Cantor, Fox News.
Rosetta Stone, where language is learned. RosettaStone.com.
Hi, this is Don Dodd, publisher of The Examiner, and you know what makes it great? A campaign called Buy Local 409. That's right, Buy Local 409. In a nutshell, when you buy from a locally owned business between 40...
Good job.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Hardin County in southeastern Texas, north central Jefferson County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Orange County in southeastern Texas until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday. At 8:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly over southern Hardin County, northern Jefferson County, and northwest Orange County. 2 to 4 inches of rain has already fallen in this area, with an additional 2 inches possible. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar. Impact, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Beaumont, Lumberton, Sour Lake, Bevel Oaks, Rose City, and Lakeview. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
I I got personal Lake Charles in Lake City as we are at FFW.
But you were going to do it with, well, actually, how were you going to do it? So you told me something about winding your own transformer?
Yeah, that's what I originally did, and it's like, I like, use a, it was like real touchy, and what I did was I used a laser.
2,
modified CD
1.
for it.
Well, let's stay with the transformer for a moment.
Yeah.
How did you wind this transformer? How'd you do that?
Oh, well, it's pretty simple, really. All you just take
3,
these
2,
metal
1.
metal plates and glue them together.
Glue them together, yeah.
Yeah, and in the simplest transformers, there's the 2
2,
coils, your primary and your
1.
secondary.
Right.
And
Go!
Is it like making
2,
a giant
1.
ball of string or something? In other words, you just keep winding and winding and winding it around?
yeah, there's like
3,
technical things.
2, 1.
But,
Go!
yeah, simply put, it's like your primary
3,
coil will
2,
have like
1.
maybe 400 turns, or it depends on how many watts you want to make it to.
Right.
Let's say it's 400 turns in your primary.
3, 2, 1. Go!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Newton County in southeastern Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Newton and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Newton, Stringtown, and Jamestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's gonna be double header right now.
You were able to achieve the
Double header! Double header!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Newton County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Jasper County in southeastern Texas until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Brownell, or 12 miles northeast of Ebenezer, northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Brownell. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
I guess a double header. Tennessee. Tennessee. 3, 2, 1. Go. 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 Go.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaumont, Port Arthur, Orange, Nederland, Fort Neches, Vidor, Central Gardens, Rose City, Pine Forest, and Southeast Texas Regional Airport. This includes Interstate 10 in Texas between mile markers 871 and 846. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is a dangerous storm. Prepare immediately for large destructive flood capable of producing significant damage. People outside should move to shelter inside a strong building and stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Wind damage to roofs and trees. Location: Cold Spring and Goodrich. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Possibility.
All right.
The main thing, they were like, that's the reason I kind of wanted, that's one of the reasons I moved from Stanbury, because half that time once my head on a pole, I had the feeling.
You mean they don't like you then?
Well, it's like, I don't know if this is just another unfounded rumor or not, but like a lot of those people's television sets are ruined and stuff like that, because I was like drawing so much power, and it's like normally it's between 110 and 120 volt outlet. Well, it's like they were estimating. This is what I've heard. I don't know if it's a fact or not, but they were estimating. I was like bringing it down to like 80 volts, 80 and 90 volts.
That is damaging to electronic gear.
Yeah.
2, 1,
So,
go!
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana, northeastern Newton County, and southeastern Texas until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Mayflower, Oregon, 10 miles west of Toledo Bend Dam, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Leesville, Anicoco, Toledo Bend Dam, and Hornbeck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Keep on near Toledo Bend Lake, get away from the water, and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. To safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in the thunderstorm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
My yeah, my ass be off my deck. That's for Tennessee.
Quarter-size hail. Source, public. At 9:15 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported near Dayton. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, Old River Winfrey, Ames, Kennewick, Devers, Lake Houston, northeastern Atascocita, and Wallaceville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in League City. Severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Chambers County in southeastern Texas, southern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Dayton, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, public. At 9:15 p.m., quarter-sized hail was reported near Dayton. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Liberty, Dayton, Kingwood, Old River Winfrey, Ames, Kennewick, Devers, Lake Houston, northeastern Atascocita, and Wallaceville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in League City.
Because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and Chambers counties. This warning will be going on until 10:12 this evening. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and Chambers County, active until 10:12 tonight. This concludes activation of the Houston Area Emergency Alert System.
Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barrett, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include northeastern Baytown, Beach City, Barrett, Highlands, Crosby, Mont Bellevue, Lenawee, Old River Winfrey, Cove, and Wallaceville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Download and block access to malicious websites. Enjoy internet without crackers. Internet without malicious websites. Internet without malware-ridden files. Imagine your data more secure, your connection protected. Then, catch the special deal now at NordVPN.com. NordVPN, cybersecurity built for every day.
Imagine.
Your wardrobe?
Taking you for a ride. What should you do? Keep managing your constipation with belly pain the same old way, or try getting ahead of your symptoms?
News Radio 740 KTRH has activated the Houston Area Emergency Alert System. Stay tuned for important information. This station is activating the Houston Area Emergency Alert System at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and Chambers counties. This thunderstorm warning is in effect until 10:18 p.m. tonight. Again, we're activating the emergency alert system at the request of the National Weather Service because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and Chambers counties until 10:18 p.m. tonight. This concludes this activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
Daylight time. At 9:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe storm was located near Barrett, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include northeastern Baytown, Leaf City, Barrett, Highlands, Crosby, Montview, Anilac, Old River, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southeastern Pasadena, eastern League City, Texas City, Lockport, Deer Park, Dickinson, Seabrook, Webster, Kenna, Clear Lake, eastern Southbelt Ellington, Nassau Bay, Taylor Lake Village, El Lago, Shore Acres, Clear Lake Shores, Morgan's Point, San Leon, the Johnson Space Center, and Backcliff. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Japanese yen in early trading Wednesday, following a decline overseas due in part to pessimism with regard to talks between the U.S. and Japan. Tokyo stock prices nosedive. The dollar fell to 79.75 yen from 81.12 late Tuesday. It did climb back to 80.08 yen. My God, it's the lowest dollar-yen rate since the modern exchange rate system was set up in the late 1940s. Fine. O.J. Simpson, the trial on hold while the judge interviews the jury one by one. That means the whole jury is the alternates. Now, there was a very interesting ruling yesterday in the court. Judge Ito, after hearing arguments, ruled that O.J. Simpson...
This station is activating the Houston area emergency alert system at the request of the National Weather Service in League City because of a severe thunderstorm warning for Harris and Galveston counties until 10:56 p.m. tonight. Again, at the request of the National Weather Service, we're announcing the severe thunderstorm warning for both Harris and Galveston counties until 10:56 p.m. This concludes activation of the Houston area emergency alert system.
This is a critical juncture in his work. And she was astounded that the judge ruled this way. Judge Ito tried to rush Barry Scheck through his